What's good, guys? It's Wilslin. It's been a while. I got a 5K account this week. 5K account from the 5 percenters. That shit cost like $39. Ended up spending like $45 to get it though. So yeah. Anyways, $39. That's like $39. Ended up spending $45 is like 30,000 francs CFA. I know that's an amount I can get very easily. So I got the 5K account and I'm risking 2% per trade. Trust me, if I got a 100K account, or let better say, when I get my 100K account, and I will tell you guys when I get it, I'm risking 1%. The only reason I'm risking 2% is because I know that's an amount that I can get another time very easily. So I got the account last week. I haven't taken a trade in like, I think it's 2 weeks. In fact, for the month of March, I've taken just 2 trades. I got this account last week. I got to place my first trade today. Presently in a limit order. I don't think I've been triggered yet, but yeah, I placed a limit order too. Going to show you guys what it looks like. So today I took my first trade. It was a sell on USD CHF. USD CHF was a sell on USD CHF. So I told you guys I'm risking 2%. Luckily for me, my alarm didn't ring when it was time to enter, so I came out on, I think it was 8 or 10 minutes late, and price had retraced by around 8 pips. So I placed a market order from a discount, permitting me to go for a 1:2 instead of a 1:1.5, 1:1.6. Yeah. So the first trade was a winner. Fantabulous. Like, it's a good one. As you guys may see down here. Yes, I'm up 192. That's basically 4%. Up 192, that's 4%. No open trades at the moment because the limit order has not been triggered. I expect that by tomorrow morning, it will be Wednesday the 19th. My order will either be triggered or price will move without me. Anyways, I'll be good. So that's the trade I took today. As you guys can see, March 18th. Closed at, so 9, the trade took like 9 hours to hit TP. Took 9 hours to hit TP. Guys, I'm using my phone. You guys have to mind it's about the information, it's about the knowledge being relayed and for you guys to learn from. A lot of patience, guys. January I took 11 trades. February I took, I think it was 7 trades. March 2 trades. How many guys can, in fact, how many of you can stay for like close to 3 weeks without taking any trade or taking just 2 trades? Patience, guys. Patience is key. Patience. Show the way I trade, I prefer to wait for high setups, like high public setups, and put some size to them, not to be taking multiple trades that are not really worth it. So that's it. I'll show you guys the present limit order I've placed. Here it is. As you guys can see, I normally enter the closing price, which was supposed to be here. It just so happened that I came to the chart, my alarm didn't ring. So I came to the chart like a few minutes late and price had moved, had retraced. So I got a discount. And trust me, I'm definitely taking that discount and maintaining like the original target. That's exactly what I did, and I got a clean 1:2. Lucky me, I guess. Then as soon as I hit CP, I placed a limit order on this second engulfing candlestick pattern. The next candle just tanked from it on. I expect that probably by morning I'm most likely going to be tagged in before price pushes downward. Either that happens or price goes without me, or price retraces, and yeah, but I expect price to tag me in before tanking. So let's see what happens. I'm going to show you guys a trade. I'll show you guys the trade that hit TP. I'll show you guys the account. I'll just show you guys everything. So as you guys can see, 5192 history and the present limit order. So let's see what happens. As you guys can see, price already retracing, so I expect it to retrace, tag me in, and tank straight with TP. Saying expect is the wrong term to use. Price has a higher probability of tagging me in and tanking straight to my TP. Anyways, tomorrow we'll find out. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so basically my goal is to reach 2% per trade, even in the funded fees, unless, let's say, I'm touched by the Holy Spirit and have a change of heart. My goal is to reach 2%. It's a high risk account. Reach 2% and get a good payout. If I blow the accounts, alright. But one thing that you guys are going to realize throughout this challenge is the consistency in risk. You see that whenever I'm hitting a stop loss, it's the same amount. Hitting take profit is most likely going to be the same amount, unless like today, whereby I got a discount. Who am I? Who doesn't like to get a better price? So I'm only human. So but most likely you see the consistency. And I share the trade on both my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. I have a WhatsApp group. I have some guys on there for free. I have some guys on there for free. I'll add the link to the YouTube video. And yeah, I have some guys on there for free. My Telegram too. I have a book. I actually have two books: The Hidden Edge and Tame the Beast. The Hidden Edge is more beginner friendly / struggling trader wise. And he has study materials so I'm giving that for free. In my Telegram, there will be the download. You can download it there, study material. I'm talking daily tracker, pre-trade entries, study guides, webinar type formatting, questions, weekly questions. Yeah, so tap in and look into it. I'll add the link to my WhatsApp group and Telegram group for all of you guys who are interested, Yeah. For free, so you don't have anything to lose. Tap in, learn this skill set and get paid. Another key thing, trading is a skill set. Once you have proven it to yourself that you can trade and you have that track record, all that's left is amassing capital and then just applying that same skill set with the bigger capital. Many people are just blinded by the money, and I get them. Well, we are all human. It's a skill set at the end of it all. Basically, right, that same skill set of trading, right, that gives you 5% at the end of the month on your $100 account or your $10 account is the same skill set that gives you 5K on a 100K account, 50K on a $1 million account. So it's a skill set. I get that we all want to see the big accounts type shit. We're definitely getting there, guys. Definitely. I'm the one talking here. I got it. But I want you guys to understand the skill set. And with that methodology and that idea, with your small accounts, seek to create good, healthy habits. Because trust me, big or small account, if you don't manage them, you're still going to So yeah. Alright guys, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm definitely going to keep you guys posted on this challenge I'm taking. Yeah. You guys should take care. Hello guys. I'm back and today is Friday. I think I had two trade setups this week. One hit take profit and one hit stop loss. The first trade I got an entry at a discount price, so I went for a 1:2 and I lost the second trade. I'm going to break down the two trades I took this week. And as you guys can see here, on the 5K account, we ended being up 2%. That's $100, $91 anyways. This one did it up. Just two trades. One trade was 192, the second was minus 100. As I told you guys, I'm risking 2% per trade because a 5K is an account that I can easily get in case I blow it. The matrix, total trades 2, profitable trades 1, one loss trade. Both of them are sales. 50% win rate. Let me go ahead to to trading view and let's break down the two trades I took. Okay, so as you guys can see, let me highlight it. This was Monday. And we are on Friday the 21st. So the first trade went straight to take profit. The second trade hit stop loss. 25 pips stop loss and 40 pips take profit. Here I went for a 1:2. Even though you are seeing 25 pips stop loss and a 40 pip take profit, I went for a 1:2 because I entered at a discount price. If you pay attention, you will realize that this is my entry price. But I came to the chart late and I realized that price had moved away from my entry price. So I just took the discount and I went for a 1:2. So same take profit criteria, but just a different entry. For those of you who want to follow up with the breakdown, it's very simple. The blue EMA you guys are seeing is my 20 EMA. The black EMA is my 200 EMA. I believe you guys know what EMAs are meant for. So the black EMA shows me the monthly trend. The 20 EMA the past 3 days. So I'm doing top down. So for the month or the entire market is mainly moving bearish. So now the next thing I do is I head to the daily time frame. As you guys can see, I entered. Let me just show you guys on the full screen. Monday, the daily candle closed bearish in alignment with the 4-hour general trend of the market, and also in alignment with the 20 and 200 EMA, which implies that the monthly has been bearish, the past 3 days had been bearish, then the previous day closed bearish, which implies there's a high probability of the market selling. So all I did was when I came on Tuesday, I waited for my 4-hour engulfing candlestick pattern, engulfing a candlestick of the opposite color. So head back to the 4-hour time frame. So as you guys can see, I had my 4-hour engulfing candlestick when I woke up in the morning, and I took my entry straight to take profit. As you guys can clearly see from the way the price moved the previous day, implying that Tuesday also closed bearish. So when I came in on Wednesday, I was looking for sales. Actually, this second trade was taken that same Tuesday. Yeah, and it ended up going against me. And so I ended the week up plus 1 hour. Same as today is Friday. I think in a few hours the market will close, and so far we are looking bullish on the daily time frame. The 1 day candle is looking bullish, and if it closes bullish on Monday, we are not trading. So that's basically it, guys. As I told you guys, I'll keep you guys posted on how I go through with the challenge. I'm going to take my time with this. I've decided just to be patient this year in particular. A lot of back end work. I have to approach my trade with a lot of patience in getting quite an amount in past funded challenges so that I can step into next year, or at least late this year towards the end, I can start getting my payouts. So this year will mostly be about passing challenges, and I'm going to show you guys the process, how I implement patience, how I'm consistent in my approach in the market, consistent with my risk management, my risk to reward ratios, entry and exit criteria. Let me show you guys what my MT5 looks like. As you guys can see, it matches with what you guys are seeing on my 5% dashboard. 1 win and 1 loss. So that's it, guys. And also I'm presently working on a 10-part video series that's definitely going to help you guys. I have 2 books on trading. Tame the Beast, mostly psychology focused for those who are struggling traders and may or may have not realized that their problem is not their strategy, or at least not to that extent, but first the fix in mindset. And I have the Hidden Edge, beginner friendly, and it's also struggling traders too, a shift in mindset. It's mainly about the shift in mindset. Alright, guys, I'm already working on the 10-part series videos that I'll be releasing, and I believe you guys will enjoy them. Take care. Let's get that money. Your boy whistling.